So this is the first indicator I'm doing regarding MT5. So this is the MT5 platform, currently on the Euro GBP 1 hour. The indicator I'm just highlighting for you today is the bar time countdown. How you would install it on the chart is practically, well, it is exactly the same as you would on your MT4 platform. So you would simply go to File, open Data File folder. You've got your MQL5 folder here, and then you've got your Indicators folder there. So once you've downloaded the file from my website, you would put it in this indicator folder, and then you can close the folder. You might have to refresh the navigator folder here to show that the indicator is properly installed, and then you would simply drag it onto your chosen chart, and here you can either have a fixed position, or if you double click it, you can have it to follow the price. Now the fixed position will pin the countdown timer to the top right hand side, and if you decide for it to follow price, then that's exactly what it will do here. Look, so it will follow the price, tell you how long the candle has left before it repaints to the next candle. And if you was to change the time scale to 1 minute, for example, it will tell you exactly how long is left on that candle. So 59 seconds are left. And the same on the 5 minute. So there's 1 minute left here, 1 minute 49, and so on and so on. So if you go back to the 1 hour chart, then there's 56 minutes left. So it works in real time. It's a nice little indicator. If you was to go back to the indicator list and double click it, you can of course change the color. And if you do put it to a fixed position, like I said, then it will pin it here, look, at the top, and give you a nice readout of how long you've got left. So if you would like this MT5 trading indicator for your platform, then simply go to my website. The link is in the description below. You need to register if you haven't already, and you'll see there that the indicator is for download. So it's completely free. For those who wish to sign up to the VIP section, it's simply £1 a month. Once you've done that, you can download all other indicators on the website. There will be indicators for MT5, and there are already plenty of indicators there for MT4, and of course that list will continue growing in the weeks and months ahead. So, but this one here, this indicator, is my first indicator for MT5, and it's completely free once you've registered on the website.